Hey guys, how you doing? Have you been looking for high quality traffic that converts into sales and to build your email list more? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about paid traffic, about building your email list, and I'm going to show you the offer that I'm having right now through July, which is basically a major discount on traffic. This has to be the best traffic sale that is going on online right now, right? So this is actually the lowest that I've ever had traffic for people to go and buy a traffic package. I've had a lot of people come to me and they've paid more for traffic, right? Normally, my traffic packages are more, but right now it's at 50 cents a click for any traffic package that's 90% tier one and 60 cents a click for anything that's 100% tier one traffic. So depending on whether you're getting 90 or 100%, those are the discounts, and it's for all of July. And why you should get traffic from me is because I'm a marketer first before I ever sell any traffic. And it's important to actually be a marketer. There's a lot of people out here that sell traffic, but not everybody is a marketer. Some people just sell clicks. I actually do online marketing. I've made, six figures online, and I know how to actually convert leads into sales. I know how to grow an email list, and it's important for you to know how to do the same thing. And my favorite strategies to do marketing are actually Facebook and YouTube. So if you're on Facebook, you may be one of my friends. If you're on YouTube, you may have seen one of these videos that I produce, right? But basically, when you get traffic, I make sure that your traffic is targeted to the offers that you have and that your landing page and sales copy are congruent to the offer, because that's very important. And most importantly, you want to make sure that you get traffic from sources that are very high quality and know exactly where you're buying from. A lot of times people will go and buy traffic. They don't know where it comes from. They just trust in whoever they're buying from that they're going to deliver, um, what they say they are, right? And they don't get any feedback. So you go and you buy a traffic package from somebody else and they don't give you any kind of feedback. They just take your link and they say, okay, I'll send traffic to it. And then you end up getting poor results. I like to give people, a strategy that they can follow that they can actually get results, right? So they come to me and I will help you to actually know how to get higher conversions with your paid traffic, right? So that's the difference between me and somebody else, is you actually know how to get results, right? So I know if a page is going to convert or if it's not going to convert. And a lot of people use company pages, and that's a lot of people's problems when you actually go to get traffic is you're not standing out from everybody else that's selling the same things as you, right? So you don't want to use company pages. You want to brand yourself first. You want to build your business first before you promote anything else. Your business being you, your brand. So it's your name, it's who you are, it's your credibility, right? Your following, right? So whatever you choose to promote is whatever you want to promote, right? But you always have to build your following first. And when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic, and I help you to manage your funnel and your offers. I help you to set up anything that you need. A lot of people that come to me, they have their own products or they want to create some kind of course or a digital product, something to give away, a membership site for their people. I really like to work with people who are coaches, people who want to build their brand, because I have a team that does all of this for me, so I don't need to, right? So this store right now is revamped for the 4th of July. I didn't do any of that. I have a team that builds all this out for me professionally. if you want to know my resources, then it's a very good idea for you to order a traffic package, and you could book a strategy call with me to actually, um, know what to actually do in your business and how to get your hands on the resources that I have, because they really help you, right? And uh, I help people when they go and order traffic from me get as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. And it's important to know how to track your leads and conversion rates, and it's important to know how to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So here's how it works when you order from me. Step one is you select a traffic package below. Step two is we do a campaign review and a strategy call. The campaign review, we go over your funnel. The strategy call, we let you know exactly how you can improve your funnel, what you can do, how you can keep your emails out of the spam box, because it's important when you're sending out emails that people actually receive your emails, right? A lot of times people are sending emails to their entire list. If you send emails to your entire list, then you're going to have people that aren't opening. And if people aren't opening your emails, aren't clicking on your links, then your domain reputation goes bad, and you end up getting your emails, um, in the spam box, and your domain is blacklisted. And then if that happens, then your deliverability goes down, right? And you want your emails to be seen. And a lot of times people just buy traffic to their entire list. And when you do that, you get people on your list, but you're not filtering your list properly. So if you're not maintaining your list properly, then your results are going to be poor, right? So you want to actually maintain your list the right way. So that's what I help you to do when you book a strategy call with me. Then step three is we launch your campaign within 72 hours or after the strategy call, right? So we want to help you to get the best results possible. Here's some of the results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks, 90% tier one and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at these for yourself. Here's the sale that's going on. Here's the discounts. And then here's the 100% tier one. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. So take a look at this section. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer, right? It's very, very important to know where you're getting your traffic from. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down here in this box right here. You could leave them under this video. I will respond to any comments. Anybody who leaves a comment below this video, you will get your question answered. You could also reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be a link below this video to get to my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. You could reach out to me through the group and we can connect on Facebook. I am on social media. I am verified. So all you got to do is seek me out. You can also text that number below this video if you want to talk to me personally. I will text and respond to you back. I do get a lot of messages from people, so make sure you text. Please be considerate of my time, and I am happy to help you. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And make sure if you need anything, you can reach out. There's going to be a link to get traffic below this video, and directly below this video, the first link that's going to take you to a page that will show you exactly how I've been able to make my first 6 figures online. Now, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to do that. It all depends on your work ethic and skill level. So you have to be somebody who's really, really serious about getting results. And I like to work with people who are building a brand, who have invested money in courses, and who need extra support, right? So if you don't invest in yourself, you can't really expect other people to want to invest in you, right? So if you want help and you want support, be somebody who takes this seriously, be somebody who really wants to get results, and show up when it's time for you to show up and be ready to make things happen, right? So with that being said, again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.